overflowing with love, family, and belonging. My self-love expands daily, and my relationships reflect that growth. I am worthy of every blessing that love brings into my life. I feel safe knowing that love always finds me. I am surrounded by loving, supportive, and genuine relationships. My worth shines brightly, and others naturally recognize it. I am grateful for the connections that uplift and inspire me. I deserve people who honor my presence and celebrate my growth. I love myself enough to create space for joy. I am worthy of being treated with tenderness and respect. I trust that I am always supported by love. I am proud of the love I give and the love I receive. My life overflows with love, laughter, and meaningful connections. I deserve happiness, belonging, and unconditional love. My worth is not based on perfection, but on my true self. I am surrounded by people who bring out my best qualities. I love myself enough to keep growing into my best self. I am worthy of being chosen again and again. I am grateful for family bonds that bring comfort and strength. I feel at home in my body, my relationships, and my life. I deserve the joy of being loved just as I am. I attract people who celebrate my uniqueness and authenticity. I am surrounded by love wherever I go. My self-love helps me create healthy and lasting relationships. I am worthy of being deeply loved and fully accepted. I am grateful for the love that continues to expand in my life. I attract friendships that feel safe, balanced, and supportive. I love myself enough to nurture my body, mind, and soul. I am worthy of affection, kindness, and care. I am grateful for the new connections love brings into my life. I deserve to feel seen, valued, and appreciated in every space I enter. I am surrounded by people who genuinely wish me well. My worth does not depend on anyone else's approval. I am worthy of being celebrated and appreciated. I am a source of love, and I naturally attract more of it. I love myself enough to set boundaries that protect my peace. I am grateful for the people who enrich my life with care. I choose to see myself as lovable and worthy every day. My heart is open to love from friends, family, and community. I deserve to feel safe and honored in every connection. My relationships reflect the love I have cultivated within myself. I am proud of the person I am becoming, and I deserve to be loved for it. I am surrounded by love, whether I am alone or with others. I am worthy of forgiveness, compassion, and second chances. I feel deeply connected to those who cherish and support me. I radiate worthiness, and love responds to my energy. I am open to experiencing love in all of its forms. My love for myself inspires others to love me more deeply. I deserve relationships that are mutually nurturing and balanced. I am grateful for the love that is already present in my life. I trust in my ability to attract love that feels aligned and true. My worth is not up for debate. It is eternal and whole. I love myself enough to walk away from anything unkind. I am deserving of relationships where my heart feels at home. I am grateful for the warmth of love that flows through my relationships. My life is filled with people who bring joy and laughter. I am loved for who I am, not just for what I do. I am worthy of building a life surrounded by people who love me. I attract love that feels safe, supportive, and joyful. My self-love creates a foundation for every other relationship in my life. I feel cherished, valued, and seen by those I love. I deserve peace, respect, and tenderness in every connection. I honor my boundaries as an act of self-love and self-worth. I allow love to find me in unexpected and beautiful ways. My relationships grow stronger as I grow in self-love. I am worthy of being loved simply because I exist. I am grateful for family, chosen and biological, that uplifts me. I trust that I will always be surrounded by good, kind-hearted people. Love flows easily and abundantly into my life. I am deserving of friendship relationships that bring out the best in me. I welcome relationships that are rooted in honesty and care. I am constantly growing into deeper love for myself. I deserve to be chosen, celebrated, and prioritized. I am supported by a loving community that cherishes me. My heart attracts people who love me for my authentic self. I am worthy of happiness, laughter, and joy-filled moments. I choose relationships that align with my values and my worth. My love for myself creates healthier, happier connections with others. I deserve to rest, to be cared for, and to feel safe. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me every day. I am a magnet for loving, kind, and genuine relationships. My self-worth grows stronger every time I choose to honor myself. I am surrounded by people who see my light and value my presence. I love myself deeply, and that love flows outward to others. I am worthy of lasting love and meaningful relationships. I feel safe being fully myself, knowing I am accepted as I am. I radiate love, and it naturally attracts more love to me. I deserve relationships that are nurturing, supportive, and joyful. I create space for love to enter and expand in my life. My life is filled with people who celebrate me for who I am. I am deserving of kindness, care, and tenderness every day.